Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a really quick beauty hack. This is how to get twice as much concealer, if not more, out of your one tube. So as you can see, all you need to do is open up your concealer and have a pair of pliers to hand. I did use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on the pliers just to make sure that they're like sanitized because they are a little bit dirty. So all you need to do is find the stopper of your concealer. If you look at the twizzly bit, I know that I'm not using correct terminology, but I don't know what that is. That's basically the soft part where you would twist your cap onto. So underneath it all is hard plastic, but the top layer is very, very thin. It's really easy to miss, but it's actually soft plastic. All you do is you get your pliers and you just remove it. If like me, you're completely useless and you've just moisturized your hands, you don't really know what you're doing with a pair of pliers, you can get somebody to help you. I got JASS to help me out and he made it look so effortless. It is a little bit tricky, so do be careful, but basically that stopper just stops the product from falling out. So if you put your concealer flat, for example, in your makeup bag or you're traveling with it, that will just stop the product from leaking out. So do bear in mind that once you've pulled the stopper out, there's nothing to stop it from leaking. For me, that's obviously not a big deal because at the end of the day, I'm getting way more products than I normally would have. So even if a little bit leaks, it would have just been products that I'd bin anyway. I then tested it out on the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Do you like how I say I did it? I got JASS to do it and it worked in exactly the same way. The only thing about this concealer is though that the lid doesn't seem to be that secure once you remove the stopper, so I don't think I'll be able to put it into like a makeup bag. I'll just have to keep it standing upright at home until I finished it. And last but not least, I tried it on the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is not one that I use, I've just found it in my stash. It's not the right shade for me, but yeah, I just thought I'd try it out on as many different concealers as possible, and it seems to be that you can do it on pretty much any concealer. You just remove the stopper and it's completely fine to use. So there we have it. I've got JASS to open up all of these concealers for me and 4 out of 5 are ones that I use. So I'm going to have a ton of product and hopefully it'll be a very long time before I need to repurchase the concealer. Okay, I'm just going to move these to one side so that you can see. So once you open up the concealer, this is what it will look like. You'll instantly get so much more product. I mean, just look at that. It is going to be messy, like I said. There's nothing you can do about that. That's actually what the stopper was there for. So in my opinion, that's not a pretty bad trade-off. I'll still get at least, I'd say, about 10 more uses out of this. You saw how dry the wand was when I first pulled it out, and that's because I thought it'd run out. So at that point, a normal person would bin it, but I'm obviously going to keep this. Just be careful that when you do close it, it will be really messy like that. Again, there's nothing you can do about that, but at least you've got a lot more use out of your concealer. You're saving a bit of money, you're not rushing out to buy a new one, which is obviously just brilliant. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment and let me know how you get the most out of your products. I'd be really interested to know if anybody has any similar hacks or tips or tricks. But if you found this video helpful, then please share the video and hit the subscribe button because it would mean so much to me. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!